If your software project is falling behind, adding more developers will only delay it further. Brooks' Law never fails. When deadlines are slipping and stakeholders are demanding answers, great software delivery managers don't look for blame, they look for bottlenecks. After leading enterprise Salesforce and digital transformation programs across the US and LATAM, I've learned that projects rarely fail because teams don't work hard, they fail because priorities become unclear and critical decisions are delayed. These are the 5 steps I consistently use to get struggling projects back on track. Step 1: Backlog triage. Freeze the scope immediately. If the boat is sinking, you stop taking on passengers. Focus exclusively on the MVP or the critical features required to save the upcoming release. Step 2: Cap the WIP, work in progress. The danger isn't what the team hasn't started, it's everything they left half done. Put a strict limit on WIP. No engineer opens a new ticket until blocked tasks or items in code review are closed. Step 3: Uncover the single point of failure. Usually, there is one senior dev or architect who acts as a human bottleneck because everything has to go through them. You need to delegate or introduce pair programming to free up that pipeline immediately. Step 4: 3-day micro sprints. In a crisis, traditional 2-week sprints are an eternity. Reduce them to microcycles with laser-focused daily stand-ups aimed at removing blockers within a 4-hour window, not 24 hours. Step 5: Brutal stakeholder transparency. Never hide delays from clients or executives. Instead, present a clear mitigation plan backed by empirical data on current team velocity, not wishful thinking. Rescuing a project requires your technical leaders to focus entirely on engineering, while an experienced delivery manager restores alignment, removes obstacles, and drives execution. When critical initiatives begin to slip, I help organizations stabilize delivery, rebuild stakeholder confidence, and get projects back on track. If your team is facing that challenge, let's connect.